Hey everybody, Coach Clint here. I'm going to show you the updates that I've made to my $10 do-it-yourself ripstick design since I published my first do-it-yourself ripstick video 4 months ago. First of all, it's off to Home Depot to get sprinkler pipe, and I get 3/4 inch sprinkler pipe. It's ultra cheap, and you can get about 10 feet of it for $4 and change. That's only 5 feet of it. I had to cut it in half to get it in my car. And then next, I changed the length of my ripstick. I shortened it to about 6.5 inches. That's how I cut these both pieces to 6.5 inches. It makes it more portable. I think I'm an average man. It fits the average man's hand. And then I stayed with the 3/4 inch caps, and you put those on here. Put them on each side. One more. So then it looks like this, and I consider that to be a design enhancement on the ripstick you buy online because it keeps the bands from popping off in case you can't keep it parallel. Okay, now for what I call the battle of the bands. I've been experimenting with different bands up to now. I've been using these black heavy duty tactical rubber bands. Looks like this on your stick. Got to use 4. And they'll last about a month, and one of them will snap. All of them won't snap, but one of them will snap. I've also tried what's called Ranger bands, and they'll be really tight on your sticks, right? Looks good, but the problem is they're not very flexible, so they're gonna snap in about a week. So what I went back to and what I've been using now is number 107 1/4 pound 7 inch by 5/8 rubber bands. Now the problem is they're going to be kind of long and sloppy on your sticks. Tension's good, wear is good, but kind of long and sloppy. So the solution is to tie them in a knot in the middle, right? So you tie them in a knot in the middle, just slip them over the ends of your sticks. See if I can get this done here. Let's try this one. Okay, they're going to stay on. A little bit sloppy, a little bit, but functional. Not pretty, but functional. Really strong too. So, what I'd like you to do is give this a try. Make your own ripstick for less than $10. And if you come up with some good design idea, put it in the comments there below so everybody else can try it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this playlist right over here for ripstick workout videos for each part of your body. That's it. That's all. See you next time.